Struggling to focus in the morning? Okay, let's fix that with a simple 5-minute reset.
For so many of us, the day starts like this. You reach for your phone and the chaos begins.
First up, a flood of notifications, pulling your attention in a million different directions.
Then, boom, the emails hit. You're in work mode before you've even had your coffee.
And of course, it's so easy to get lost in that endless scroll, just wasting precious time.
What this all means is you're starting the day on defense, reacting to everyone else's agenda.
But what if you could totally change that? Turns out, there's a powerful and super simple solution.
It's called the 5-minute focus reset. Okay, so let's dive into how it works.
The whole thing is just 3 super clear, intentional steps. Seriously, anyone can do this.
First, for just 1 minute, breathe. Just breathe. It calms your nervous system right down.
Next, ask yourself this. What's the one thing that will make today a win?
And finally, decide on your mindset. You want to be calm, focused, patient? You choose.
And that's the whole practice. So what's the payoff for this little bit of time?
Well, the impact on your clarity and focus is huge and it's immediate.
It also leads to a lot less stress, way better decisions, and just feeling in control.
And remember, all this good stuff, it comes from just 5 minutes. That's it.
So really, you've got a choice. A morning of just reactive chaos or one with calm intention.
So the real question is, how are you going to spend your first 5 minutes tomorrow?